I rode my bicycle today to the West End Mall in Knoxville, Tennessee, and bought a brand new iPad Pro, the biggest screen of any iPad, and a keyboard to go with it. They're sitting in this box right here, and I'm about to unbox them for you. Here's the keyboard, and here is the iPad. Anything interesting to see? Well, there's this, but that's got serial numbers on it, so I'm not going to let you see that for long. You probably had enough to get a sample, but that's okay. I'll survive. So the only thing we really need tools for here is to cut through the plastic on the outside. Actually, we didn't even need that. It has, in pure Apple style, a pull tab. You can open it without any tools. There we go with the box. These boxes are always fairly tight, but when there's something in them, they'll come open. And then it lifts right out. And there's a designed by Apple in California box in there, which I don't need. And another AC converter and another cable. And I won't be using any of those because I already have stuff from my other iPad. And here we are. I got the silver version, not the space gray. And it again is designed to open without any tools. Presto. Now we'll see if how much power it has in it. As shipped from Apple. Well, enough to turn on. Hello, it says in English script. And now it says it in the script I can't read. And now that looks like an Oriental script of some sort. I don't know which one. Ooh, I never saw that one at all. That one is very weird. Hola, Spanish. Bonjour, French. I didn't see any German. Oh, and now it has turned itself off. I think, oh, there it goes. It just was a slow thing. So we'll swipe up, tell it I want to speak English. I'm in the United States. I'm going to do the quick start. Quick start, bring your current iPhone or iPad near this iPad to sign in and set up. Okay, well, let's see if that works. Set up new iPad. Put this image in the frame of your other iPad. Okay. Enter passcode. I don't know if you got to see that or not, but it will only take a few minutes to activate your iPad. I don't know if we want to wait for a few minutes. While we're waiting for those few minutes, I will unbox the keyboard here, which is sitting right here, and Face ID. Wow, it's already at Face ID. Yes, I'll do Face ID. First, position in the center frame, then move your head in a circle to show all the angles of your face. Get started. Okay. First, Face ID scan complete. Move your head slowly to complete the circle. Second Face ID scan complete. Face ID is now set up. Transfer data from iWizard. Yes. Setting up your Apple ID. All right, well, we hardly had time to get this undone, but now we do, so I can pull the tab since I know now that I don't need to have a knife out. And let's go. Open this box. So, terms and conditions, agree. Setting up your Apple ID. So here is the Magic Keyboard box. And here's the Magic Keyboard before it comes out of the box. And here it is after it comes out of the box. And beautiful tabs to pull. Oh, look, I got the white one. What can I say? I like white. I'm a white guy, what can I say? Not my choice, but I was born that way. No use fighting with your birth, eh? Designed by Apple in California. Made in China. Though most likely, ooh, this is so much nicer than my other keyboard. Make this your new iPad. Here's everything. Apps and data. Continue. Keep your iPad up to date. Continue. Previous cards. Continue. Add card. Add this card to wallet later. Setting up Apple Cash. I don't know if you're going to want to see all this, but I guess I'll have to edit it beforehand so you don't see things you shouldn't. Add card. No, that one will go later too. That one will go later too. Your other device includes purchases. Oh, okay. Now you're not supposed to see this, so. You probably got to hear how long it was, but oh man, I can't even type it right. Well, one more try. Then I'll have to look it up. Nope, I can't remember my password, so fuck that. Skip this step. Transferring data. Okay, well, now I'm going to have to just wait. So I will plug this guy in to get him to charge. And look at how much bigger, noticeably bigger, especially in this dimension, well, both dimensions. I look forward to having it here. Meanwhile, let's take a look at the keyboard. Actually, you can probably get away with putting it on the keyboard. Got the Apple Pencil. Well, this keyboard stands up straighter than the other one did. It's very weird. Doesn't seem to have a choice. "37 minutes. Well, I'm not going to make you sit through that. So I'll report back how well it worked once I get the data all transferred. Bye.